welcome to a new video. So I decided to take bike for a spin today because weather is getting better, summer is coming. It's actually already plus 20 degrees here. Look at this view, guys. Just let me stop here. Look, beautiful, right? And it's so nice to be out, to be honest. It's just really nice to take bike for a spin and enjoy those views. And in this video I just want to talk to you, maybe, just like vlog type video. So I just want to share with you some of my thoughts about the motorcycles, and maybe actually have sort of discussion here, right? So the question there is, which bike should you ride? And to be honest, it really depends on skill level and what sort of experience you want to get, and how confident you are, because you can have some sub 600cc motorcycle, or you can have something like 1 liter, like bigger bikes, I would say. And this road is actually Kotor Serpentine, is one of the most popular roads here in the coastal area of Montenegro. And basically there is probably the most busiest serpentine I've been riding today, and like I saw so many bikes coming to ride, and already see this road from different countries. Yeah, the question is which bikes to ride, which bike to choose. And this has been up to my discussion with like friends and people I meet all the time, because I feel that so much choice, so many motorcycles, all bikes are great because of technology, because of electronics which are available to us almost in every bike. So you just have everything. And when people choose a bike, there is also one problem which I also see, is that everyone wants bigger bike. Big bike doesn't mean that you will get right experience, because big bikes can be a little bit intimidating. Big bikes can be a little bit, they have more power, and sometimes instead of enjoying the bike and enjoying the experience, you're actually afraid of the bike. You could be afraid of the bike. I think our society says this like, oh, all my friends have big bikes, I want a big bike as well. The biggest bike I was riding was 1300cc, and to be honest, I would not say I have a lot of pleasure riding that bike, because I have much more pleasure riding something like Tracer 9 over the long distance, or even shorter distances sometimes. In my opinion, smaller bikes, and I'm talking about like 600-700cc bikes, something like Tiger 660, Tracer 7, Versus 650, that sort of bikes. Look at this view, guys. Nice, right? This road is just pure joy, and yeah, just want to share that with you. So you have all those bikes, right? And every time I ride those bikes, I have so much fun. I can ride bigger bike, but even when I come to this road, the smaller bikes put smile on my face like all the time. And you know why? Because it is lighter, because it is fun. I mean, you can actually work with the throttle, and you're not afraid that there is like too much power, that something can go wrong. You can put like higher RPMs and you can have all that sound, but it's not gonna be scary to you, right? it will be fun. It will be just fun. And these bikes are all about fun. When we talk about bigger bikes, I don't feel that you can get the same level of experience, because again, too much power, heavier, and you cannot play with it that much if you are not really experienced rider. I would say that before you choose any motorcycle, make sure you can grow into this motorcycle. Don't skip the stages. For example, I started from 250cc bikes, then 400, and then I jumped straight to the 1000, and then 1000, then 1100, and then 1300. You know, that type of progress. I mean, I skipped this part of middleweight motorcycles, and I think that yeah, I should not, because you have to make sure that the bike you have, everything this bike can offer, you can use it. And when you understand that you're at that level, so the bike you have, you can use it 100%. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's good. That is good. That is good. That is good. Oh, so many bikes. So many bikes already. I told you, it is March. I couldn't even tell you what's gonna happen in the summertime. If I don't really need to cover long distance, I would definitely stay with I don't know, Tiger 660, Tracer 700, Versus 650, maybe Honda NC 750. Those bikes, in my opinion, like really nice all-rounders. Like these are actually real crossovers, because they great in city, they nice on twisties, you can tour on them, and they all around like really nice package. Of course, at a certain point you say, okay, I want to travel to up, or I want to go long distance, and by long distance it's gonna be like, you know, 1000 kilometers, or like 1500 kilometers, like 1000 miles, let's say. So you're going far, you're maybe traveling between the countries, and you spend some time on highways, and that's where you need a little bit more technology. That's where you need a little bit of comfort, because you need to have cruise control, maybe some you know, electronic suspension. Yamaha builds probably the most fun engines on the market. It is just, I mean, you cannot beat Yamaha on that. Just, you cannot. They overall really nice, fun motorcycles. Oh, I see so many Chinese motorcycles. Typically you can see like BMWs, Yamahas, Hondas, but you know, in recent times a lot of Chinese bikes, which is interesting. In today's world, people try to buy motorcycle like forever. What if I buy like 1000 or 1200 cc motorcycle, and it's gonna be my forever motorcycle? No way, guys. In most of the cases, unless you're like really experienced rider, but you're probably, if you're really experienced rider, you're not gonna watch my video. You already know what you want and what you need, and yeah, I'm not useful to you. But if you're not, like, believe me, like when people idolize the motorcycles and they say I'm gonna buy this bike and it's gonna be my forever motorcycle, I'm gonna spend like 10 years with this motorcycle, blah blah blah. No, it's just not. Back in the day I was basically reselling motorcycles. That was my business back in the day, and every year I was like having several bikes for myself, and I was able to test some other motorcycles, anything, like from old Japanese bikes to new European bikes. And that's where it's really hard to kind of surprise me anymore, because I was playing a lot with motorcycles, and that's actually what makes me more relaxed. I purely kind of like value motorcycles for what they are and what sort of experience I can get out of them. Oh, look at these guys, beautiful, right? You need to choose a bike for what you need. If you ride in a city, why on earth you need like bigger motorcycles? No need. If you're not touring on a motorcycle, why do you need touring motorcycles? Take a street bike. Take something like I don't know, CB1000 or MT09 or I don't know, Street Triple. Don't attach yourself to one motorcycle. That's probably easy to say, but over the lifetime you're probably gonna have few of them, and be honest, you will like all of them. Because at every stage of your life or riding life, you will prefer different things, you will like different things, and every motorcycle you'll have along the way, you will only remember it as, you know, from good side. That is actually my personal, let's say, memory and experience. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next one. Cheers.